Hello, and welcome back to StoryTone English. This is day 9 of your daily English speaking practice series. If you've been following, Rina has already practiced speaking with strangers, explored bookstores, and built natural sentences. Today, she will learn how to tell short stories in English, making her conversations more interesting and fluent. Let's begin and practice together. Star main story. Rina's first short story. It was a quiet afternoon, and Rina sat at her study desk. She opened her notebook and thought, I know many words and can make sentences, but how do I tell a story in English? Her teacher had once said, stories are the fastest way to think and speak naturally. Start small. Even a short story helps you improve fluency. Rina decided to try. She chose a small event from her life, her visit to the park last week. First, she wrote down key points. Morning at the park, saw birds and flowers, talked to a kind woman, learned to speak English confidently. Then she connected them into a short story. Last week, I went to the park. I saw many colorful birds and flowers. I met a kind woman and spoke English with her. I felt happy and confident. She read it aloud slowly. At first, it sounded stiff. Then she practiced several times, adding emotion and connecting sentences naturally. Last week, I went to the park early in the morning. I saw many colorful birds and beautiful flowers. While walking, I met a kind woman. I spoke English with her, and she encouraged me to keep practicing. I felt happy and confident. Her sentences were smooth now, like a real story. Speaking practice, repeat after me. Let's practice telling a short story together. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. Yesterday, I cooked my favorite meal and shared it with my family. Last weekend, I visited a bookstore and found a wonderful novel. I woke up early this morning, drank tea, and went for a short walk. I met a friend and we talked about our plans for the week. I tried something new today and felt proud of myself. Repeat these stories out loud several times. Notice how connecting sentences makes your English fluent. Mini dialogue, storytelling practice. Now let's try a conversation where short storytelling happens. A. Hi, how was your day? B. It was good. I visited the park this morning. I saw colorful birds and flowers. A. That sounds lovely. Did anything interesting happen? B. Yes, I spoke English with a kind woman. She encouraged me to keep practicing. A. That's amazing. I wish I could do that too. B. You can. Just start telling your small stories every day. Practice this dialogue twice, imagining the emotions and gestures in your voice. Fluency tips. Storytelling in English. Start with simple events. Small stories are easier to remember. Write key points first, then connect them into sentences. Add feelings and details. It makes your story more natural. Practice out loud. Repetition improves memory and pronunciation. Use daily life events. Your life is full of stories waiting to be told. Remember, every short story you tell is a step closer to fluency. Evening reflection. Rina sat by her window and wrote in her journal. Day 09. Today, I learned to tell short stories in English. I practiced connecting sentences, adding emotions, and speaking naturally. Every story I tell makes me more confident. She smiled and whispered, Small stories lead to big confidence. Practice challenge. Your turn. Today, try telling one short story about your day in English. Write 3 to 5 key points. Connect them naturally into sentences. Speak out loud and record yourself. Repeat daily to improve fluency and confidence. Outro, channel closing. Great job today. This was day 9 of your daily English speaking practice series. If you like this lesson, like, share, and subscribe to StoryTone English. Tomorrow, in day 10, Rina will learn how to ask questions and answer naturally, a crucial skill for fluent conversations. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep telling your stories in English.